Hi, if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let me introduce myself to start with. I've been an esthetician and electrolysis mesotherapist for the past 20 years now, and I'm a former international teacher in the field. I've taught in places like Las Vegas, London, Saudi Arabia, China, Toronto, and New York. Had 3 businesses, won the Entrepreneur of the Year, wrote articles, and had my own school, and have my own skincare and cosmetic line. Always wanted to be an esthetician, or you're a lover of skincare and beauty? If making people or yourself happy is the one thing your goal, this is where you learn and develop skills. I will show you all my knowledge and all for free. All you've got to do is join the journey and subscribe today to the YouTube channel before viewing this video so you don't miss out on any next one.